So how long does it take to sell a house? I think you're going to be surprised.
Okay.
And I'm going to cover it in this video. Alright, so there's two parts to this question. Firstly is the how long did it take to secure a buyer for your property? And then the second part is how long did it take to get that buyer and that deal from offer accepted to exchange of contracts and completion. So the first part, how long does it take to secure a buyer? So facts from Rightmove show that 70% of the interest in your property when it goes for sale will come in the first 4 to 6 weeks of marketing. Now that's true, right? If you're looking to buy a house goes on Rightmove and you want to inquire about all the latest houses. If a house is sat on the market for months and months and months, you're less motivated and you're probably those houses will get less interest the longer it stays on the market and be most likely to need a price reduction to get it sold. Now Rightmove's latest data shows that it takes on average 52 days from house going on the market to buyer secured. Whereas here at Power Bespoke, it takes our team just 32 days. Now the second part to this question is how long did it take to go from buyer secured, offer accepted, offer agreed to a legal exchange of contracts. Now that on average right now, and I'm recording this video in February 2023, is taking up to 5 months. Now that usually, rewind 3 or 4 years, it would have taken 3 months.
What?
That part of the transaction, delays with mortgage companies, delays with solicitors, delays with everything, then it's taking longer and longer. So you're looking at really 6 months plus from going on the market to moving house. And that's assuming your property isn't one of 40% of property sales that fall through before exchange. So what sometimes happens, so be very careful in the agent you choose and the buyer you select. What sometimes happens is you go to market, you go under offer in 4 weeks, it's with solicitors for maybe 2 or 3 months, then the deal collapses, then you go back to market for 3 or 4 weeks, and then it goes through for 3 months, then that deal collapses, then it goes back to market. Be very careful on buyer selection, agent selection. If you choose correctly and you do your research and make an informed decision in the agent you choose and the buyer you select, then it's likely that your property will hopefully go from on market to you getting the keys to your new house in 6 months. But if you need quicker, feel free to get in touch with our team, as our average time from offer acceptance to clients moving is 4.2 months. Now that's because in many situations we use what we call our committed transaction sale process. Hope that helps.